Devastating. Ukraine's satellite-controlled, drone-launched drone emerges big threat to Russian Navy. Ukraine's new 250,000 United States dollars naval drone carriers, capable of deploying aerial drones, could represent the future of robotic warfare, with the Ukrainian military at the forefront of this innovation, according to the UK-based The Telegraph. This technological leap has provided the Ukrainian military with a versatile and cost-effective weapon. The report pointed out that last month, the Ukrainian Navy launched a daring raid on Russian-occupied oil platforms in the Black Sea. While these types of raids have been a common feature, this operation was notable for the debut of a new kind of satellite-controlled unmanned surface vehicle, USV. These unmanned boats, measuring just 18 feet in length, carried several first-person view FPV UAVs, each armed with a small payload of explosives. The UAVs, once released, flew toward Russian surveillance equipment and troops stationed on the platforms, delivering devastating blows. The attack marked the first known use of drone-carrying USVs in combat and demonstrated an evolution in naval warfare tactics. The new USV holds particular significance as it is being operated by the Ukrainian Navy. Traditionally, offensive USV operations have been spearheaded by Ukraine's intelligence agencies, the SBU and GUR, utilizing platforms like the Sea Baby and Magyura V5. This shift suggests an evolving role for the Navy in Ukraine's maritime defense strategy. The report noted that the Ukrainian Navy's transition into drone warfare has solved many tactical dilemmas. Despite its growing fleet of new ships, Ukraine faces challenges in accessing the Black Sea due to the closure of the Bosporus Strait by Turkey. Russian Pantsir S-1AD system shot down Azerbaijan Airlines 8243 that killed 38 people, Azeri media. However, the USVs, which cost a fraction of the price of traditional warships, about 250,000 United States dollars, allow Ukraine to continue mounting highly effective strikes without the risks and expense of manned vessels. The integration of additional technologies, including remote-controlled anti-aircraft systems and guns to defend against Russian patrol boats and helicopters, is even more impressive. In a historic moment, a Ukrainian USV previously also shot down a Russian helicopter, as reported by the Eurasian Times. Humiliation for Russia's mighty Black Sea Fleet as Ukraine's killer sea drones ravage its attack helos. Ukraine is also pushing the boundaries of what these robotic systems can achieve. The potential to deploy large drone motherships from USVs, which can carry additional FPV drones and extend their range, is a tantalizing possibility. The report concluded that the concept of drones launching drones presents a vision of future warfare where the lines between human control and robotic autonomy continue to blur. And with Ukraine at the helm of this innovation, the world may be witnessing the dawn of a new age in warfare, one that relies heavily on drones carrying drones into battle. The ongoing Russo-Ukrainian war has ushered in a new era of naval drone warfare, with Ukraine's innovative use of uncrewed surface vessels, USVs, playing a pivotal role in reshaping the conflict in the Black Sea. What began as a bold experiment in October 2022 has evolved into a game-changing strategy that has put the Russian Navy on the defensive. In October 2022, an unprecedented operation saw small uncrewed surface vessels, USVs, break through Russian defenses and reach the depths of Sevastopol harbor, targeting the flagship of the Russian Navy. This high-profile operation signaled a shift in naval warfare and highlighted the potential of uncrewed vessels in modern conflicts. The intensity of U.S.